Hey Boo Boo, look at Mommy. We have to do another video because she has mastered the art of eating, as you will soon see. She tries to help me now, and she has it on her feet, in her hair, in her eye. See, she gets it on her feet. It's all over her faces. There you go, open. Oh, good stuff. Today we're having pears and cereal. You do, Boo. You're trying so hard. Is it good stuff? Is it good, baby? You want to do the spoon by yourself like you were just doing? You chewing on the spoon? You do a good job, baby. You do good eats.